Hello, welcome back to my channel. I am back today with the May BIRCHBOX subscription, beauty subscription. This is my last BIRCHBOX. I just wanted to try it out, but it's a super bunch of, I mean, they did better this time, but just a lot of samples. You don't get much full-size products like you do in the Allure beauty box, but they did do better this month. So, for May, we got a set of brushes, 5-piece makeup brush set with a travel case. I could use new brushes, but I'm pretty specific about, I'm pretty picky about what kind of brushes I like. What's this do? I don't know how you think you're going to put all these brushes in here. Let's see if we can open this up. So it's a pretty green bag. It's lovely. You got your little gel inside. Are they? Oh yeah, they got a little sticky. I won't take them all out now, but you get a big powder brush, foundation brush. I use a brush like this for highlighter, and then I use a brush like this for blush. I use this to blend my eyes. So there are the beauty brushes. This says Hydration Haven. I don't remember choosing a product. Let's see. Wonder Beauty Drift Away Cleanser. Complexion boosting. I guess we'll just try it out. It doesn't say what each thing is. This is Tidal Rose Seaweed Hydration Mist. And it's like a rose water. Red seaweed. It's vegan, allergy tested, carbon neutral, ethical source, woman owned. So I guess it's probably just to spritz your face and kind of freshen up. I don't know. Anybody use seaweed hydration mist? I like my makeup to be like a matte finish. I don't like a shiny finish. So I don't know if I need moisturizer. I don't know if I'll use this or not, but we'll see. Otherwise, if I don't, I will send it to my daughter. Then we got Flowerbomb Bloom. Flowerbomb Bloom Viktor Rolf. So I just put on some, let's see. Let's put it under here. It's pretty flowery. Flower bomb-ish. It's very flowery. I guess that's alright. Maybe it'll wear down a little bit, but ooh, that is flowery. I have to tell you though, we got some Downy beads. You know, the beads that make your clothes smell good, all the things. Well, I got the one fragrance called Balance. It's like rainwater and eucalyptus or something like that. I don't know how much Greg uses, but like I had to rewash the dog's blankets because it was so strong, it was burning my throat. It was just like, I didn't care for the scent, I guess, or he just used too much of it. So I don't know. I bought 2 of them, so you know I can't let something go to waste, but maybe I can put a lock on it so he can't put so much in. But I'm telling you, I washed the dog's bedding again today. Wonder Beauty Drift Away Cleanser. Makeup. Wash away makeup and impurities gently drift away with this transforming cleanser. I don't know what it smells like. That smells rosy, which reminds me of my grandma. I don't know if I can use that. And then this is a complexion boosting moisturizer by Air Repair. Designed to meet the demands of dull, tired, and dehydrated skin. Rich in humectants and antioxidants, this regenerating treatment cream is instantly absorbed with its moisture-retaining properties. It soothes and hydrates for a smoother, more radiant complexion and diminished fine lines. It's excellent for every skin type and all climates. So we got a little moisturizer, a cleanser that's going to make me drift away. I want to smell it. I like a good smelling cleanser. Not heavily perfumed. See, and perfumed things never used to bother me. Oh, it smells medicine-y. Medicine-y. So we have the cleanser, the rose, Tidal rose, and the Flowerbomb bloom. And then the makeup brushes. So, but yeah, that'll be my last Birchbox, because you just don't get full-size products. But if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And be sure and get entered in my Road to 800 subscribers giveaway, Crafty giveaway. And I'll be back soon with another crafty, planner, or beauty video.